Okay, let's try it again. Okay, I hope you are going to do your activity, guys, kasi mahalaga ito masyado, especially yung may mga missing. I told the class yesterday that this is actually a group activity. But for those who will not join during the brainstorming and the solving of the code, they will not be given the code because it would be unfair for those who joined during the deliberation and the brainstorming. So even you're part of the team, but if you're not participating, you will not be given the codes. I really emphasize that during the class. I want you guys to be responsible in your task, in your activity, because this is also for your own good. If you keep on complaining about your task, walang mangyayari. So what you're gonna do is to give your best in everything that you do. I really challenge you to give your best, not because you want to please people, but you want to please the master who created you, the God who created you. No? So sabi nga natin, in everything you do it for the glory of God. So yun lang maiwan ko sa inyo, guys. Actually, yesterday natawa ako kasi someone imitated my lines na yung, hello, good morning, guys. So, nagkuha niya talaga yung tinig or yung tone ko. But I really appreciate it na mayroon palang ganun na naiwan, no? Natawa ako, pero hindi na lang ako nagsabi kung sino yun. Alright, so thank you so much, guys. I really look forward to meet you tomorrow, but we're told that we can only have one class during the week. So I cannot meet the class tomorrow, but I want you to be updated on the lessons that we have, read your LMS and do your activity, okay? For those who have computers or laptops and have program in Robot CAVEX na nag-expire, kindly inform me or ask me because, or what do you call this one, PM me. Okay, message me because I'm going to assist you to remove your license key so that it will reset into 10 days because we had our meeting with the provider and she said that the license key is not available yet. So we have to do something. This is actually a band-aid solution to this problem. I cannot also allow the class to miss the class and to miss the lesson. So I have to do something about it. So this is the best, not the best, but a band-aid solution for this dilemma. So please ask for help if kailangan talaga natin na i-reset yung trial natin or yung RobotC trial natin kasi 10 days lang yan siya, okay? So I'll be waiting for those who have no laptops and computers to send your files or your activities and challenges, okay? So I want you to be responsible, guys. Sabi ko nga, we have to help together so that we can grow together, all right? So thank you so much, guys, and God bless.